Hi guys, I'm Karishma Karer and welcome to my channel KARIWATCH, where I will be posting and reviewing watches, well, the ones that I like, of course. Now, coming from a family of watch enthusiasts and pioneers, I've had the opportunity to be a part of this industry for over a decade now. From magazines to books to internationally acclaimed watch fairs, well, I've done it all. Over the last 16 years, I've met with some master watchmakers, enthusiasts, pioneers, legends, and so many influential people of our watch industry, which has given me great perspective and an in-depth knowledge about the world of watches, well, one which seems to be growing by the day. Understanding watches is an art in itself, and there are so many amazing brands out there that make great masterpieces. From tourbillons to minute repeaters to moon phases, but which ones do we select, right? Through my channel, I will be posting and reviewing all these watches and complications to help you the next time you decide to go watch shopping. So if you are a watch geek just like me, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on all the cool updates every week.